Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Poem. Question answer.
Yes, and I'm very happy that I have started receiving many videos from you all. So today I'll be in the afternoon. I'll be posting all the videos. I've got many videos. Many people still बहुत सारों ने नहीं भेजा है.
Voice is cutting.
So I would request all of you to.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is cutting.
Okay. Now am I audible to you?
Yes, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello, hello, 1 to 4, hello, 1 to 4, hello. C leak हो गया है.
Yes, ma'am. Mic check, mic check, mic check.
Mic check. But then mic is leaking. 1, 2 और 4 ही सुनाई दे रहा है. बीच का 3 नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. 3 is not there. Right? Okay. चलो. Come on, everyone. Before starting today's class, let us have a quick prayer. And I request Zeel. Zeel Agola, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, recite Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Rest everyone, please join your hands, close your eyes.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Om Shanti.
One more time. Okay, no issues. Chalo. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands. बाप रे, रील कितना बड़ा बड़ा हो गया बाबा. Ado baby. Ado baby. Ado is there. आपको ही बोल रही हो आरव.
Yes.
क्यों ऐसे मुंह फुला के बैठे हो? नो स्माइलिंग. चलो, गुड, very good. Everybody should smile because it is English class, right? चलो, so I think there is some network issues तो नहीं है, but I guess इसके पहले वाले lecture में भी when I on my camera, front camera काम कर रहा है, rear camera, the पीछे वाला camera is not working. So Raina, tell me, what did we do yesterday?
When we do yesterday poem number 1, the 2 kittens.
2 kittens, okay. And question answers are done?
Yes, ma'am, we are discussed.
We have discussed, okay. And did I share that question answer in the group?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So have you written the question answer in your fair notebook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then probably on from 10th of next month, that is 10th of May, you are going to listen to me very carefully. 10th of May से आपकी MEA की exam शुरू होगी, right? It would be just like your final exams. Applications में आपको 20 marks का MCQ होगा, right? So that for that English syllabus is chapter number 1 along with the poem in literature, and grammar में chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Correct? Yes, Lok bola. Right? Now, any doubts regarding anything? What shall I repeat? I repeated. MEA exam, month-end exams would be there from 10th of May. They'll start from 10th of May and they would be same as आपकी जो फाइनल एग्जाम्स आपने दी थी इस तरह से 20 मार्क्स MCQ बेस्ड एग्जाम्स. So you don't need to write anything. It would be just online exam. Right? Now, for that,
fourth में था वैसे.
yes, fourth में था वैसे. Right? Now it would be of 20 marks. Asha, switch off your mic.
In the fourth
Yes,
standard,
yes, like
during
that.
final
Bacha, MCQ online. Yes, yes, same as the fourth standard final exam. Right? Difference would be this would be of 20 marks only. And for that, you will need a syllabus. And that syllabus for English literature, from literature book, I'll be asking from chapter number 1 and poem number 1. And from grammar, it is chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Done?
Okay.
Done है कि नहीं है?
Ma'am, done है.
Okay. Chal. Now come to page number 20. Quickly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Of textbook. Yes, textbook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, can you just type in the chat box because there is some network issue on my phone.
The syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो विश्वा, whether I will get syllabus from you. चलो अब तक दिशा मैम ने क्या पढ़ाया आपको? Tell me. In literature?
In literature, we just completed the question answer of chapter number 1, Better Me, and the poem.
Yes. So that would be asked in the examination. You don't need to learn the question answers because possibly it is on this tick the correct option. So you don't need to write the question answers anywhere. So I'll be asking questions from the text, like from the chapter. Right? Chalo. Now Vishwa, you have got syllabus of literature, I guess, right? अब मुझे विश्वा बताएगी ग्रामर का कोर्स कितना करेंगे दिशा मैम? अच्छा, switch off your mic. Wait.
Grammar, we did
Chapter number 1, 2 and
3.
Right. So Disha ma'am would be asking from chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Syllabus clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear syllabus? Okay. Chalo. Now quickly come to page number 20 of textbook.
Ma'am, syllabus is clear.
Clear? Okay. देखो शुभम ने टाइप किया है in textbook chapter number 1, 2 and 3. So Shubham will learn all the 3 chapters. In grammar textbook 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now page number 20. Question number 3. Can you see that? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Two Little Kittens is a narrative poem. It tells us a short story. In different stanzas of the poem work as different parts of the story. Identify and write the correct stanza number that corresponds to the given parts. Right? That means, suppose ये story जो है, ये जो poem है, it is just like a story. What you have to write just the paragraphs number. कि कौन से paragraph में introduction हुआ है, which paragraph is telling us about the problem. Series of events means one after one another. एक scene होता है ना, जैसे अगर if you are watching War, Hrithik Roshan and who was that hero? I forgot his name. Who was the hero of War? Tiger Shroff. Right, Tiger Shroff. Yes. So one after the another as the incident takes place. Same ways there is a paragraph जहाँ पे पूरी story बन रही है. So you have to identify कि कौन से it is 10 paragraph poem. So you have to just write the numbers of the paragraphs in the blank which is given. Chalo, try to do it by yourself. Otherwise, we'll do it. By that time, I'll start screen sharing if that can help.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what we have to do?
Page number 20, exercise number 3. Is my screen shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, is it visible? My textbook is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, try to do this exercise by yourself and then we will discuss quickly.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, my work is done. Ma'am, my work is done. Ma'am, my work is done. Ma'am, my work is
Chalo.
done.
First one, Shlok Golter. Tell me, introduction कौन से paragraph में है?
First paragraph.
Which paragraph is having? Yes, first paragraph is having the introduction, right? Chalo. Second one, Rudra Bhatt. Okay, Rudra Bhatt is in 5th A. Chalo, Zeal.
No,
Zeal is the second answer.
Ma'am, Rudra
yeah,
Bhatt
Rudra
is
is
in
in
5th B.
Okay, no issues. Chalo. Zeal. Second one, problem. Which paragraph is telling about problem? Yes, second paragraph. जहाँ पे Okay, can you read the paragraph, Zeal?
For mouse. Yes, ma'am. One had a mouse and the other had none, and that was the way the quarrel began.
Yes, the quarrel began, right? Chalo, next, Krina, third one.
Yes, ma'am. The series of the event on the paragraph 6.
6, 7 and 8, right? कौन सा event वहाँ पे हुआ है दिखो तो? Can you please read 6, 7, 8 paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. The ground was covered with frost and snow. They had lost the mouse and had nowhere to go. So they lay and shivered beside the door till the old woman finished sweeping the floor. And they crept as quiet as mice, all wet with snow and as cold as ice.
Right? Okay. But then you read paragraph number 7, 8 and 9. The series of the event is 6, 7, 8. Huh, bacha? The old woman took the sweeping broom and swept them right out of the room. The ground was covered with frost and snow. They had lost the mouse and had nowhere to go. So they lay and shivered beside the door till the old woman finished sweeping the floor. Right? That is the paragraph number 6, 7 and 8. Chalo, next, Riri.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. The solution. Paragraph number 9. And
Okay, can you read the paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. And then they crept in as quiet as mice, all wet with snow and as cold as ice.
Good. Thank you, Didi. Next,
Welcome,
Astha.
ma'am.
Last one. Astha.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
They found the end and the moral. 10th paragraph. They found it much better that stormy night lie by the fire and cook 2 nights.
Yes. Right? So this were the answers. Everybody has been finished with this sung thing?
No. Yes, ma'am.
It's the number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By that time, come to page number 21. Ticket and Margaret HW. What is this? ये क्या दिखा रहा है? What is it saying?
Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar.
Yes, Surya Namaskar, right? And now let me just on it on the camera. Okay, Surya Namaskar. Ticket and market as HW. I want all of you to do Surya Namaskar. Share a video with me. First of all, आप क्या करेंगे? You will first introduce yourself, your class and your section and with your name. Then you will say it is about getting fit. Then you will start the Surya Namaskar. You have to record a video and you have to share it to me. I want to see how you do it. Is that clear? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, the video we have to send in personal.
It would be shared in personal only. बेटा groups तो आपके लिए बंद होते हैं. You have to share it with me in the personal number only. Then I'll share it in the group. Clear? चलो इतना done है everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, answer of B is 2, number 2. Okay,
Yes,
chalo.
ma'am.
Now I hope you guys are having your worksheets now.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are having worksheets. Okay. Chalo, take out that worksheet. Meanwhile, I'm sharing the screen.
Ma'am, CA1 worksheet. Write with pen or pencil in the worksheet?
नहीं, worksheet also pencil, बच्चा. Pen is to be used only one after the another.
Ma'am, we have to write with pen or pencil?
Pencil. Worksheet or the pen is used only in your notebook for English.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, everyone. Chal.
And this one worksheet?
Chalo, is my screen visible to all?
CA1 worksheet. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. My screen is not visible?
It's visible now.
First of all, everyone mute yourself. पेरेंट्स के साथ कौन बात कर रहा है बच्चा इन द मिडल ऑफ द क्लास? चलो, नाउ पैसेज नंबर 1 and 2, scene passage 1 and scene passage 2. Take it and mark it as HW. There is only one line. She comforted Manisha. Stop worrying. I know you will surely win. Right? उसके ही 3 questions है, and same in the paragraph second. Now, today what we are going to do is
Ma'am, it is PA1.
Passage 1. चलो, right? Today is the that is PA1 only, beta. Chalo,
Ma'am,
now
your
come
PA
to unseen passage 1.
Page number 2 and half of the paragraph is in the page number 3. So we calculate page number
Wait. Vishwa, on your camera, tell me what is happening, the problem.
Ma'am, in yours there is the full page paragraph, but in this worksheet there is just half of the paragraph in the page number 2 and half of
That's
the
fine,
paragraph
बच्चा. See, what happens is when that is soft copy, अगर आप अपने लैपटॉप में टाइप करते हो और आप मुझे शेयर करते हो कंप्यूटर में, अगर मैं देखती हूँ तो then the fonts would be different, the alignment would be different. So that is fine. So basically the worksheet is the same, right? Scene passage 1 and scene passage 2 is your homework. Done hai?
Ma'am, worksheet of not term 1.
Screen आपकी आवाज
Right.
कैसे आ रही है बच्चा? I didn't get, Krina. What did you speak?
Ma'am, we have 2 worksheets of English. One is PA1, one is term 1. So we have to take out the PA1. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, PA1 is right. First exam, what you will have, official exam is of PA1. Then it would be term 1. Then it would be PA2. And then it would be term 2. Right? Last year tak what happened? I used to make a single worksheet for PA and term. So everybody is ready with your PA1 worksheet, right? Now, screening. So all of you, please write chapter number 1, scene passage 1 and scene passage 2 as HW. And come to unseen passage 1. Write today's date. Unseen passage 1. Paragraph is the same, Vishwa. Once upon a time there was a little red
Yes,
fox.
ma'am. हाँ, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Chalo. So I want Om Jivani is there in the class. Om.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
बच्चा, बट आपके पास वर्कशीट है ना, मैं कहाँ कुछ लिखवा रही हूँ. वर्कशीट है आपके पास. यू आर हैविंग योर वर्कशीट.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो आपकी वर्कशीट में अनसीन पैसेज 1 निकालो. चलो, फर्स्ट चैप्टर का, एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग दैट पैसेज.
Ma'am, can I read?
इज इट ओम जीवानी?
Ma'am, can I read Shubham?
नो, वेट शुभम. Ayushi Adeshra is in the class today. Very good. Om has Chalo, Heer Bhimani.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there in the class? Chalo, start reading this paragraph.
Once upon a time there was a little red fox. One day he was very thirsty and he went to river to have a drink. When he peered into the water, he became very angry. There was another fox looking at him. He rolled at it to go away and said it was his river. Of course, the fox in the river did not go away, but he made no sound. The fox again shouted at the other fox that he would leap in the water and bite the nasty, ugly fox. Little brown duck
Ugly. It's not ugly, it's ugly.
heard little red fox shouting and asked him why he was doing so. The fox told her that there was another fox in the water which was not going away. The duck told him there was other fox, but little red fox instead he would jump into the water and bite him. Little brown duck said, Don't do that. In the middle of the river lives a terrible crocodile. He will grab you and eat you for his dinner. His teeth are long white spears. The fox laughed and said, I am not scared of any stupid crocodile. Then the fox jumped into the river.
Okay. Now, what do you think? Kya hua hoga? What you understand the story here? Did you understand the story, Bicha?
No, ma'am.
Who can explain me the story? Who can explain me the story?
Can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, once upon a time there was
Reading.
a little... Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please continue.
Once upon a time there was a little red fox, and one day he went to drink water at a river, and when he was going to drink the water, he became very angry because he saw another fox looking at him. He growled at him and said to go away, and said that it was his river. The fox did not go away. But he made no sound. The fox again shouted at other fox that he said that I would leap into the water and bite you. The little brown duck heard what the red fox shouting and asked him why he was doing so. The fox told her that there was another fox in the water which was not going away. Duck told him that there was no other fox, but the red fox insisted that he would jump into the water and bite the other fox. Little brown duck said, Don't do that. In the middle of the river there lives a crocodile. He will grab you and eat you. His teeth are strong white spears. The fox laughed and said that I am not scared of any stupid crocodile. Then the fox jumped into the river and he died. Ma'am, the crocodile...
Yes. So, was there any other crocodile in the river? Sorry, was there any other fox in the river?
No, ma'am, it was his own crocodile.
Yes, it was his own
reflection.
reflection, right? जब भी आप पानी में देखते हो, you get your own reflection. So now everybody understood the story. We have heard this story many a times. I have heard it. My granny had told me that story in like other form. वहाँ पे see, these are basically ये जो सारी stories होती है ना, जो animals related होती है, and they also tell us some moral. These all stories are known as Panchatantra stories. Panchatantra is a book where life ke lessons, moral stories are being written, but the characters which are used are all animals. You have very good. So yes, Panchatantra stories. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? Panchatantra stories. The stories are all animal related. Right now, I was talking about what my granny told me. What my nanima told me was this story, that there was a rabbit, there was a lion in the forest, and he used to kill other animals. So all the animals conducted a meeting, and they requested the lion that रोज एक animal आपके पास खाना खाने as a food, they'll come to you and you can eat it, but then अब सबको मत मार. So the lion told, okay. So let me complete. So the lion told, okay, fair enough, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मैं ऐसा करूँगा. One day एक rabbit का chance आया. Now that rabbit was very witty. So what he thought of a plan, he thought he went late to the lion. So the lion asked him that क्यों लेट आया, मैं कब से भूखा हूँ. So the witty rabbit told कि राजा मैं तो आ ही रहा था, but then on the way in the well I saw one more lion, and that lion told me that I am the king of that jungle. So hearing this lion got very much angry, and उसने rabbit को बोला चलो मुझे लेके चलो वहाँ पे, कौन है दूसरा lion, यहाँ पर जंगल का राजा तो मैं हूँ. That way they went to a well, और उस वेल में जैसे ही लायन ने अपना मुंह डाला तो there was his reflection on the water. So that lion, yes. So when he just put his face into the water, the reflection happened, and as the lion roared, जोर से अंदर से भी आवाज आई. Yes, and he jumped into the well and he died. And this way, Chatur, witty rabbit, saved the whole forest from this cruel lion.
Ma'am, I know another story. This one.
Okay, so that's what I'm telling, that there are many forms of stories. The moral of the story is कि जो smart होता है, he wins. Right? चलिए, now come to the can you all of you are having pencil, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, start writing the first one. What is the question? Vishwa, please tell me the question and the answer. Everyone else, please mute yourself. Vishwa, I am not able to hear your voice, bacha. Okay, can I, Shubham Marwania, everyone else, please mute yourselves. Shubham Marwania. Whose microphone is still on? Okay.
Yes,
so Shubham, read the first question and the answer.
First question, why was little fox angry?
Why was he angry? वो गुस्सा क्यों आया उसको?
मैम इंग्लिश में तो थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है.
चलो, you give me answer in Hindi and then you try to convert into English.
मैम एंग्री इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि उसने देखा कि वो ही उसका जो शेडो था उसने वो बोतल में देखा, इसलिए वो एंग्री हुआ और उसको जो शेडो था
इतना सारा हमें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, इतना शुभम इतना सारा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो एंग्री इसलिए हुआ बिकॉज उसने एक और फॉक्स रिवर में देखा. नाउ ट्रांसलेट दैट सेंटेंस इनटू इंग्लिश.
Because he was angry, he saw shadow in the water.
He saw another fox. He saw shadow तो हमें पता है, उसको थोड़ी पता है.
Another fox in the water.
Yes, he saw another fox in the water. चलो, thank you Shubham. I'm just sharing the answers also. Now you all have the worksheet with you, so मैं ये screen को बंद करके I'm sharing another one, right? By the time, please write the answer. The little fox was angry as Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
The little, yes, Vishwa has written the answer. The little fox was angry because there was another fox in the river. बस इतना ही लिखना है. The little fox was angry because he another fox in the river.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
The things which are been asked, वही लिखो. Is my voice audible, बच्चा? My voice is saying as soon as I.
Now it's properly, ma'am.
Was angry. Yeah, I think ये rare camera use कर रही हूँ ना तब हो जाता है. No issues. Then I'll just share the screen then. चलो, completed answer everyone. My screen has been visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
yes, first one. Yes, the little fox was angry as he saw another fox in the river. Chalo. Now, Yasha, please read the second question and the answer.
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
else, please start writing the answers.
Who heard the little red fox shouting? The brown duck.
Who heard?
The brown duck heard the little fox shouting.
Yes, the little brown duck heard the red fox shouting or little red fox shouting. Done hai?
Wait, ma'am.
Chalo, done?
No, ma'am. Wait.
No, ma'am.
My screen is visible, right? Yeah, sure. Om, my Zeel, my screen is visible to you?
Ma'am, your screen is not visible. No, ma'am, your screen is visible.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
not visible. Visible. Not
जिसको
visible.
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन में, listen to me. Those who are not able to see in the screen, I'll share the file. Don't worry. I shared the image. आप कैसे काम कर सकते हो? कैन आई टेल यू वन सोल्यूशन कि जब मेरी स्क्रीन आपको प्रॉपरली विजिबल हो जाए तब टेक आउट द स्क्रीनशॉट so that you will be able to do it. So if at all my network is weak or your network is weak, आपका स्क्रीनशॉट सीधा आपको दिख जाएगा. So you can take that. चलो, third one. Rudra Bhimani, please read the question number 3 along with the answer.
Yes, ma'am. How did the little brown dog discover the crocodile's teeth? Crocodile's teeth were like long white springs.
अरे वाह, very good. Crocodile's teeth were like long white spears. Spears is वो जिससे पता है ये बाहुबली में पिग का शूटिंग किया था, एरो जैसा लंबा सा एरो होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
वो खेत में किया था.
हाँ, वो लंबा सा एरो, दैट इज स्पीयर्स. चलो नेक्स्ट. Diekant, read the 4th question along with the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
स्लाइड का
What
नहीं
do
दिख रहा है.
you think the little red fox was wise or foolish? The little red
Dave,
fox.
was it wise or foolish?
Ma'am, your voice
Fox was
is
wise or foolish?
cutting.
The
Wise or
fox was
foolish?
wise or foolish?
Foolish, ma'am, foolish.
Yes.
Ma'am, foolish
Now
meaning?
give me the answer.
The little red fox was a foolish one as he didn't understand that it was his own reflection in river.
Yes. The little red fox was a foolish one as he did not understand that it was his own reflection in the river. Foolish माने बेवकूफ, होशियार नहीं था, बुद्धू था, बुद्धू.
मैम
Please
लोमड़ी
write
तो
the
चला.
answer. बट ये वाली लोमड़ी नहीं थी, ये वाली लोमड़ी बुद्धू थी, मेरे जैसी. Write the answer. The little red fox was a foolish one as he didn't understand that it was his own reflection. REF. दिशा मैम का F I think आप सबको पता है. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो ठीक, मुझे डर लगने लगता है. When you are all on silent mode, I get very much upset. मुझे ये लगता है कि ये सारे सो गए एक साथ.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we are
I love if you guys are chirping. Okay, fine. Chalo, come to the last question. Can I please request Astha Charola if she is there? Astha Charola?
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, read the 5th question along with the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Who lived in the middle of river? There was a drugged crocodile in the river.
There was a terrible crocodile in the middle of the river, or in the river you can write. Okay, thank you, beta.
Ma'am, I finished my work.
Chalo.
Ma'am, I
Good.
also finished my work.
So today's homework would be unseen passage 2 भी आपको homework में करना पड़ेगा. There would be 3 homeworks, 3 paragraphs. Please take it and mark it as HW. Along with seen passage 1 and 2. You have to do unseen passage 2 also. Done hai?
Ma'am, we have to write this only writing portion.
What writing portion, Richa?
Ma'am, that you say until that you have to do in homework. Then after there are 3 question answers. Then in the downside there was a writing.
I'll give a nice one to Raina. Only scene passage I told. Scene passage 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Astha.
Ma'am, you can share image in WhatsApp group.